Okay, calm down. Everyone, calm down. Was this Ramone actually seen in the movie? I mean, he was seen hydraulic. Picture of where he was seen in the movie here. But did he have the paint gun on him at the time? I mean, questionable for sure. Anyways, so there is the picture of where he was seen in the movie again, just to, you know. Yeah. So, a new Ramone. How many have we got now? I mean, I've got literally 7 Ramones right next to me. And yeah, without further ado, I will be opening this one up in a video today, and I got this from Getmecollectibles, so that is pretty cool. So yep, from case M, and also I believe case L, because he was in the previous case, and also continued over with the metallic transforming Lightning McQueen. So yeah, here is hydraulic Florida Ramone. I do have 2, as we can clearly see here. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, and we will be taking a closer look at the China version of the non-hydraulic one and the metallic one as well in today's video. So we'll put one aside, and now we'll take a look at the packaging, because this is the one I will be opening up. We've got hydraulic Florida Ramone there, if the camera will focus. I know how it will focus. There we go. That's how to get the camera to focus. Hydraulic Florida Ramone. Mattel 3+, there's hydraulic Florida Ramone, a bit like Body Shop Ramone with paint gun. Pretty cool. There's his artwork, which does fit onto the thing with the paint gun there too. Cars logo, Blue Desert, coding up top here. Pretty cool. In the Florida 500 line, which was the 6th and final car to be released in this series for 2020. Here is the back, made in Thailand, as you can see. RSN logo. The back. The only other one that is not shown on the back is Sterling with headset. Because it's the opening race of the Piston Cup. Who will take home the championship? Probably Cruz. Of course, there's a background of Florida 500 cars as well. So, yeah, pretty cool. And now, let's start with this unboxing. So, here is hydraulic Florida Ramone out of the package, and I gotta say, Ramone literally must have just as many variants as Mattel now, or if not, close to Lightning McQueen. I mean, we've got factory customs, which we'll take a closer look at here today as well, just to compare. I mean, these are cancelled or factory customs, we still don't currently know. And of course, released ones with the paint gun, also known as this golden one here, or yellow one, as they call it. But yeah, anyways, he's got the hydraulics here, as you can see at the front. We'll turn on the flash actually. Very cool. We've got the lines coming across here. We've got the nice smile. We've got the nice headlights here too. We've got the Florida paint job here as well. What's this? Reminds me of peach colour. Peach from Mario. So, bit weird. Of course, on the side we've got this paint gun, which is pretty much the same as the paint guns used all the time. Also with Union Jack Ramone with the paint gun. So that's pretty cool. We've got the nice Thailand eyes there, green. On the top we've got this swirly decaling. We can see the logo inside too, which is pretty cool. Of course we've got the decals coming into the back as well. To the side, we've got the usual rims as well on Ramone. Pretty cool. Of course we've got decals all across the car in this peach colour as well. On the back it's got the original low and slow license plate. For some reason my camera won't focus. There we go. Rear headlights. Of course we've got the hydraulics again. So yeah, that does unfortunately pretty much end the review. But we'll take a look at the base actually. Thailand, Chevrolet, because that's what Ramone is. Week 25. Mattel. Of course here is this China version of Florida Ramone, which is like extremely rare. Of course, taking a look at it now, we can see that the only difference is it does not have the paint gun and it's not hydraulic. You can see the license plate's the same. Decaling's on the back. Of course, if we look, there is the base made in China. I'll notice how there's no oh no, it is there. I was about to say it's not there because on this one it's literally right underneath, but on this one it is not. So nice to see that they still got the Chevrolet sponsoring there. Of course, we also got the metallic version of Florida Ramone as well. So we'll put this one aside quickly. The eyes do seem to be the same colour. The peach is all metallic now. That's pretty cool. Nice that it has got the gun, so I do like the new feature, well, piece of plastic. So, yep, and of course this one is made by Thailand. Week 45 of last year. So we've got 2 Florida Ramones made in Thailand and 1. Actually, we do, in fact, let me just bring it here. This particular Ramone here, which I do have in the packaging, is also made in Thailand. So we've got all 4 variants of Ramone made in Thailand. We just do not have this one made in China, or this one made in China, which we probably won't get, to be fair. But we'll put that one aside. And of course, we got these Ramones now, like I did say earlier. And you also got this one, which does have the gun, which is still inaccurate because it's gold. There is also a new yellow one. This is exclusive to the Fire Tractor Tipping 5-pack. Where he goes, oh man, the tarmac's still wet. Or the paint's still wet. Yep. Do like how many variants Ramone has. I mean, just having them on display like this is just too cool. Of course, we also got some with paint guns as well, like I did show earlier. Body Shop Ramone. And the most recent one I've opened of the Thailand Union Jack Ramone. So yeah, let's just take a closer look at the metallic paint job in the background here of this packaging. We'll put it up here because it is part of the mascot as well. We also got this one up here back well. So yeah, let me know in the comments below which Ramone do you like the best. I do like this Ramone, but I do also like this hydraulic intro Ramone. So we'll put this in the background because this video is mostly on Miami/Florida Ramone. I call it Florida Ramone because it literally is Florida Ramone. Metallic. We've also got some hydraulic ones here, and of course we put this one back in the background where it belongs because I do have one in the package. This was not seen in the movie at all, that fan favourites one, by the way. So yeah, if you're new, please make sure to leave a like, dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button down below to the next one. Peace, guys.